Be so high, so fly, but I got the swag. Be so Lucci, let's look at I got the swag. Be so high, so fly, but I got the swag. Be so Lucci, I got the swag.
I be on that fucking block with a Glock and that Range Rover. Police pulled me over, told me get out, Mr. Soldier. But I don't give a fuck, why? Cause I just fresh as hell. New shoe, new jean. Bitch, can't you tell, thuggin' in the hood. You know them hood boy, hood life, honeycomb. Niggas know the rule, boy. Police pull me over. Like, boy, get down. Cause I got no big Glock for you right now. My swag gang crazy. Better ask your lady. She really want me to fuck, so I'ma fuck her crazy. I ain't got no baby. Oh yes, the fuck I do. That's my motherfucker nigga, and you know I love you too. But my swag gone crazy. Your mama gone crazy. Hoes just hate. Now your mama started hating, so I'm fucking all these other bitches and let them get what she supposed to. But fuck that, I give it to these other bitches. Cause my swag crazy. Yeah, my jeans crazy. I know you like that white tee cause it's some new liquor. And I don't rock no black label, but I like that Coogee shit. You like my swag, girl, get up on my fucking dick. Cause I'm so high, skeeter than a fucking bitch. Everybody know it's me cause I'm the only one with this. And I be stupid doing shit. Well, that soldier boy, and I ain't hating on you, boy. Do just what I told you, boy. It's crazy out here, nigga.